Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? I hope everything is going well for you. Today I just have a few updates, what's going on in the garden and a few things that I'm doing. So stay tuned, please like and subscribe. So whether or not you grow it or whether you buy it, it's natural for bugs to go on your vegetables. Reality check for some of my family members. I got some sprouts over there. I don't know if it's kale or it's mustard green. I'll be able to tell maybe in a couple weeks time. But as you can see, there's a lot of plants sprouting. So my melon plants finally starting to produce some baby cucumber. These are called lemon cucumber. So this is what they look like at the beginning, and then as they get bigger they start to look more like a lemon. That's why they call it lemon cucumber. So I found out more about this pepper plants that keep getting growing so tall. I heard that it can grow up to 7 feet tall. So that's interesting, and it could produce a lot of peppers. The peppers could either come out sweet or hot. It depends on the plant. So I guess I'm gonna have to take the chance and taste this once it start to ripe and see if the pepper is hot or if the pepper is sweet. And this is what it looks like. I should have had the package with me. Actually, I'm gonna go get the package so you guys can see it. So that's the name of the pepper plant that's gonna grow up to 7 feet tall. I got it from Baker's Creek. So I told you guys that I wanted to save some of the seed for the bitter melon. I was thinking about leaving it on the vine for it to fully ripen, but because in my garden I have ants and they like to climb up on stuff, I decided to take it and put it in the paper bag. I did it for 3 days and I opened it today and the fruit split open. So there's a seed and it started to ripen up, but not completely at the bottom, but it split open on its own. So that was interesting sight to see. So my collard greens have some holes in it, and then I look behind the leaves and behold, I see tiny baby caterpillars on the leaves. So anytime you guys see holes in your vegetable leafy greens, check behind the leaves and see if there's any caterpillar eggs on the leaves, and get rid of it, otherwise they can eat most of the leaves off. So I'm gonna have to clean up that. See, this plant is growing in most of the planters that I have, and this one finally flowered. I don't know how the seed got in there, but it did. And not only that, but this is also lemon balm or cat mint got into this container from Ontario. So you see those dots, that dot right there on the leaf, that's what caterpillar eggs look like. Also check for that. So I got tired of seeing the potato plant in this bag growing, so I'm gonna see if I got any baby potatoes. I'm hoping I got some. Hopefully I'm not doing this too soon, but I just got tired of seeing it in the bag because it grows so many vines and it's blocking out some of the lights of my other plants. So let's see what happens. I never grew it before in this grow bag. This grow bag has an opening at the bottom. So let's see. Move it further. I move the camera further actually, just 1 minute. There you go. Oh, I feel something. I actually cut the vines off last week Friday. I supposed to remove it last week Friday when I did that, but I got so tired. Didn't want to do anything else for the rest of the day. Wow. Wow, look at this beauty. First one. I was really concerned I was not gonna get anything because I got this potato from the grocery store and it was starting to get wrinkled up and it looked like it was no good, but I said let me put it in this bag and see, let's see what happens. And okay, I'm just gonna try to move out some of the soil first. Okay, another little one. I'm very surprised I even got any. I don't feel that bad now. I don't feel that bad now. Wow, I'm actually getting potatoes. Actually, one time I tried to grow potatoes in container and some sort of disease got it. It had all sort of black spot all over it, so it kind of did discourage me for growing potatoes in containers. But I tried again this year because I don't have the option of growing it in the ground. So that's what I said, when things don't work, keep trying. You never know when it will work. Try different ways. If the same thing, if you're doing the same thing the same ways, try a different way. It might work another way. What might work for you may not work for me, vice versa. But to keep trying. Of course, when you grow stuff in containers, you're not gonna get as a bigger production as when you grow it in the ground. But whatever you can get, you should be grateful. It's always nice to grow something. Oh, I'm definitely gonna try this again next year. Okay, I pull out the plant. It had little baby sprout potatoes. Maybe I save it for seed potato for next year. I'm gonna pick them off and see if I can use it for baby potatoes for next year. Now, how do I feel with the amount of potatoes that I got? You know, it's not bad for a container. growing stuff in container, you cannot expect to get a lot of potatoes in containers. So this is not bad for container potatoes. You cannot expect to get a lot of potatoes from growing potatoes in containers. I guess this is enough potatoes for 2 meals, for 1 meal for 2 person. You could stretch it a little bit, maybe 3 meals. I mean 2 meals if you put something else with it. And these are the baby potatoes that was starting to sprout too, so maybe if I did leave it longer they would have gotten bigger. But I'm gonna use these as seed potato for next year if they are still good. So it was a success. You can grow potatoes in containers. It was great talking with you guys. I'll see you guys another day.